You didn't choose to fall in love, your brain did it for you in the moment you felt that inexplicable pull towards someone. A neurochemical storm was already raging inside your skull. Dopamine was flooding your reward circuits, creating an obsessive craving more powerful than any drug. Norpine Freen was spiking, making your heart race, your palms sweat, your thoughts consumed by one single person. And here's what nobody tells you: this wasn't romance, this was your brain hijacking your entire existence. Neuroscience has finally cracked the code of love, and what researchers have discovered is both beautiful and terrifying. Love is the feeling. It's a biological program running in your nervous system, designed by millions of years of evolution to ensure human survival. The same brain regions activated by cocaine and heroin light up when you see someone you're deeply attracted to. Your brain literally cannot tell the difference between love and addiction, but understanding this changes everything. When you know why your heart races, why you can't eat or sleep, why that one person occupies every corner of your mind, you gain something extraordinary: the power to understand your own heart. And that knowledge might be the most important thing you ever learn about yourself. Here's where the science gets heartbreakingly real. Attachment is something that happens gradually. It's something your brain builds with ruthless biological precision. When you touch someone you love, your brain releases oxytocin, in the bonding neurochemical so powerful it's been called the love drug. But oxytocin doesn't just create warmth and connection, it literally rewires your neural circuitry, making that specific person a biological necessity. You're not just emotionally attached, you're neurologically dependent. This is why heartbreak feels like physical pain. Brain imaging studies reveal that romantic rejection activates the exact same neural regions as physical injury. Your brain processes losing love the same way it processes a broken bone. The agony isn't weakness, it's neuroscience. Your brain is mourning the loss of a neurochemical infrastructure it spent months, sometimes years, carefully constructing. But here's the break through that changes how you see every relationship. Desire and attachment are controlled by completely separate brain systems. Desire lives in the dopaminergic reward pathways, hungry, urgent, and restless. Attachment lives in the oxytocin and vasopressin systems, deep, stable, and enduring. This is why passionate desire can fade while profound love deepens. This is why some relationships burn intensely but collapse quickly, while others grow quietly into something unbreakable and eternal. The most stunning discovery: nutrition and brain health directly influence your capacity to love and attach. Your brain's ability to produce dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin depends entirely on what you feed it. Magnesium deficiency literally suppresses oxytocin receptor sensitivity, making emotional bonding neurochemically harder. Low omega-3 levels shrink the prefrontal cortex, the exact region responsible for emotional regulation, empathy, and deep human connection. You cannot love fully with a malnourished brain. The science is brutally clear on this. Sleep deprivation destroys emotional attunement. One sleepless night reduces your brain's ability to read emotional signals by 60%. You become neurologically blind to the subtle expressions, micro-gestures, and emotional cues that build intimacy and trust. Chronically poor sleep doesn't just exhaust you, it quietly dismantles your capacity for genuine human connection, one restless night at a time. But here's the most powerful truth neuroscience has ever revealed about love: it is a skill, not a destiny. Your brain's attachment systems are neuroplastic, meaning they can be strengthened, deepened, and intentionally cultivated. Feed your brain properly, protect your sleep, fiercely manage stress, deliberately practice emotional presence daily, because the quality of love you experience is determined by fate or luck. It's determined by the health, the strength, and the extraordinary power of your brain.